Performing here this evening. We just presented the Murugar Kautvam. I will now go on to present a composition of Swami Dayananda Saraswati. This is in the Ragam Revati and Adi Talam in praise of Lord Shiva. The Kriti talks of him as the eternal force that guides and rules the world. It describes his cosmic dance. In this, the devotee says, "O Lord Shiva, it is only you that can relieve me from the circle of birth and death." The Kriti in the Ragam Revati and Adi Talam, a composition of Swami Dayananda Saraswati.
कृपा समुद्रम कृपा समुद्रम सुमुखम सुमुखम त्रिनेत्रम त्रिनेत्रम जटाधरम